finest times, but all the pretty girls come from VA. And it's New York and MIA. I'ma tell you this one time.
Hey guys, welcome back to another nursing school vlog. It's been so long since I last filmed. I do have an excuse. I know you guys probably don't want to hear the excuse. I was just trying to be tunnel vision. I didn't want to divide my focus on several things. I just wanted to focus on med-surg. I did take med-surg last semester. And let me tell you, med-surg is no joke, especially when you don't have a good professor. Either way, we're back. I like to give my undivided attention to something so I can get the best results I possibly can. That's why I took a little break off of YouTube. But you can follow me on TikTok because I was posting a lot of short form content. Like, I'm super proud of myself. If you guys aren't doing so already, follow me on TikTok. We are growing on there, and I actually do have a following on TikTok. Nothing major, it's like a little bit of a following. So if you want some more, definitely follow me and check me out on TikTok because I do post more frequent there. Hoping this year I can be more consistent and reach that personal goal of mine. Speaking of personal goals, I literally hit 500 subscribers on YouTube, and I just want to say thank you to you guys for subscribing and supporting me. 500 subscribers is a lot. Some people is like, oh, that's a little bit. Imagine 500 people in front of your face listening to you speak. My anxiety would be off the roof. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway for when I hit 1K. The first week of school is starting off next week. Today is Saturday, so I just want to show you guys how I prepare myself and organize myself for the semester. I feel like with nursing, you have to do that. If you don't organize yourself in the semester, if you don't have time management, you will not pass your class. So me doing this helps me prepare myself and just keeps me organized. I sometimes use Google Schedule, but not all the time. I strictly stick to a pen and a pad or my planner. I always buy a planner in Target. Either way, I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So let's get to it. No, I bodied it. I bodied this. And I didn't even add sugar. I could use some sugar. So I started putting anything that's due, like homework or, you know, assignments, onto my planner. I don't know if I said this, but I like to visualize things and like see when stuff are due visually. With online planners, I have tried that before, but with me, I tend to neglect it and not go back and check my online planners. So I like to get a physical planner, which I got this from Home Goods. For this semester, we started towards the end of January, so I just plugged in whatever was due here. I do that for each month. So whatever is due for this class, I plug it into that day so I know how much time I have left to get my homework submitted. I'm gonna do that step for all of my other classes. On the first day of class, we had an assessment due. For this class, whatever is due, she put it in red ink. So that's what I'm taking, and I'm putting that into my physical copy for my planner. Hey guys, so I'm finally back from going to the gym and getting some work done. I'm about to meal prep for the days that I'm going to be at school. I recently got these from Target, Pyrex brand. I was on TikTok and Pinterest looking for some meal prepping ideas. There are some that stuck out to me which I will be trying out next week, but this week I decided that I'm just gonna stick to my shrimp vegetable fried rice that I always make. It hits so good. Also gonna meal prep some chia pudding with some fruits. Let's get started.
She's so pretty. She know they wanna, but she when she come around my way. Straight out the driveway, head to the highway. Red light, green light, that's the best move. Headlights green bright, that's the best move. I call her double R, my rough rider. We hit a couple more, then a reminder. Cause on the road the light, she is the spokesmodel. Yeah, her body's tighter than a Coke bottle. She supercharged cars, anything from Menage. And she could only park in the superstar garage. Cause she.
You cannot tell me I did not body though. Like, this looks so good. I cannot wait to body this tonight for dinner. It's nothing too crazy. Like, I didn't put any extra protein. I just literally stuck to shrimp and veggies, and then I added more veggies.
This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play of ways. Got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my song. That's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me. So, yeah. So give me all of you in exchange for me.
Overnight hair curler, the heatless curler, because I literally don't have to put in any effort, and my curls come out so cute. I just finished getting ready, so now let's head to campus. We have lecture and then we have lab like a few hours later. Every new semester we have to take a dosage calculations exam, and we typically use Safe Medicate. Safe Medicate is an easy website. We take out questions and it's just easy to get 100%. I feel like the staff, they kind of realize that now, and that's why they switched to ATI. If you're a nursing student, you know ATI is way harder. Like, their questions are hard than the actual NCLEX question. Typically you have to get a 90% to pass the exam, but this semester they put it to 100%. So if you don't get 100%, you can fail the class. If you don't get 100%, you can retake it again. And if you still don't get 100%, you can retake it again. But after that third try, if you do not get that, if you do not meet that quota, you are done. Like, you basically failed the class. I'm not the candidate to be failing the class, okay? Like, I'm just trying to be one and done.
Starting route.
People drive so crazy here. Like, it's literally 10 a.m. Why are we driving this crazy? I'm gonna kill some time by doing some practice questions from ATI. Class start at 11:30. It is 10:55, so I do have a little bit of time to kill. So basically how I got these on paper is I literally copied and pasted from ATI, and then I went on Google Docs, put it on the new document, and printed it out. And I printed out like 3 copies because I'm really trying to body this exam.
We have the acute phase. What acute means to you needs to be the time limit, right? This means that it's new, it's less than.
Hey y'all, it's later on in the day. I finally took my dosage exam. And you guys are probably wondering, how did I do? Did I do well? Did I pass? Did I fail? I passed. And it just feels so good to, you know, get it out the way. Like, I'm one and done. I didn't have to go back and take it several times. Only if I recorded and showed you guys how much I was studying. I did so much. So it feels good that my hard work and my dedication paid off. It feels amazing. And I'm starting to feel like nursing school is starting to give me pre-test anxiety. Because as the semester go on and as we keep preparing to take exam, my pre-test anxiety levels are like, I don't know. I don't know. It feels so good to just like not have to study and practice dosage. So now I can finally focus on exam 1 officially. Our first exam is on respiratory. I think I showed you in my previous vlog how I study for my exams. I'm repeating that same method. Your girl passed her exam and I'm ready to take on this semester. This semester is going to be amazing for me, and it's going to be amazing for all my fellow college students and all my fellow nursing girlies as well. I plan to just study for the night. I do have clinicals tomorrow, so I'm not doing too much, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Today's the first day of clinicals, so get ready with me for clinicals. yellow sunscreen.